my question is for everyone. Is it the Chinese culture and heritage nowadays some remains or do the youth are still alive despite of issues between the Philippines and China?
Yeah, I think that if you are asking if Spanish culture is still alive. No, like I said, if there's one aspect that the Chinese influence is very apparent, it's in the culture. Di ba pag nag-celebrate ng Chinese New Year, karamihan ng nasa Pinoy are not Chinoy, are mainstream Filipinos, di ba? And every Saturday or holiday, we go to Pinoy to see long lines sa mga popular na nagpupunti. Also, Filipinos, So, buhay na buhay yung kulturang Chino, mga Pilipino, despite the issues. Medyo lang kasi yan. I think yung understanding natin sa mga issues sa West Philippines medyo mababaw. And culture is not affected. It's very much alive. Not only among the Chinese Filipinos, but among many Filipinos, especially those who have friends. So, okay, walang hindi naman naapektuhan ng political issues yung culture. Because the cultural influences are so malalim na yung pagkakaungan sa ng Pilipinas.